Connect the printer cable on your laptop. Then go to Control Panel, then Hardware and Sound, and then go to Device and System, and then Printer and Scanners. Then find your printer and go to Printer Properties. Then Sharing, click the check mark, then Apply and click OK. On your second computer, go to Internet and find the other computer that is connected to the printer, and right-click the printer logo and click Connect. Next, go to Word app. Then select a blank document. Then type in your desired messages. Then click the file logo on the upper left when you're done. Then go to Print and click your printer, and then click the one that has Ready Document Waiting. Then click Print. Now, on your printer, click OK. And now your messages is being printed.